Welcome to Trending Bikes, your go-to source for the latest in two-wheeled innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha SR450, a machine that's making waves for its blend of classic design and modern engineering. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a retro enthusiast, this bike demands your attention. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha SR450 continues the legacy of the SR line with unmistakable retro styling. It features a minimalist frame, a teardrop fuel tank, and a classic round headlamp, all paying homage to its vintage roots. Yamaha has refined the aesthetics with subtle modern touches, including LED lighting and sleek new color schemes that highlight the bike's timeless silhouette. Performance and engine. At its heart, the SR450 packs a newly refined 445 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This updated powerplant offers smoother throttle response, improved torque in the mid-range, and enhanced fuel efficiency. It's still kickstart only, a nod to purists. But Yamaha has optimized the system for reliability and ease of use. Technology and features. Despite its old-school charm, the SR450 integrates essential modern features. ABS comes standard, alongside a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster that offers a vintage feel with contemporary data readouts. The lightweight chassis and responsive suspension ensure a balanced ride, perfect for city commuting or weekend cruises. Ride and handling. On the road, the SR450 delivers a relaxed, engaging ride. The upright riding position, narrow profile, and low seat height make it accessible and comfortable for a wide range of riders. Whether weaving through traffic or enjoying a scenic route, the SR450 offers predictable handling and smooth maneuverability. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha SR450 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its blend of nostalgia and innovation, Yamaha has crafted a bike that appeals to both retro fans and modern riders alike. Stay tuned to Trending Bikes for more updates, reviews, and first ride impressions. Ride safe and ride smart.